digestive system from the HAP part 2. Before looking towards the chapter, we must know what's the purpose regarding to study the digestive system. चैप्टर को स्टडी करने से पहले हमें ये तो पता होना चाहिए कि इस चैप्टर को सीखने का पर्पस क्या है. व्हाट इज द मेन पर्पस ऑफ द डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. हमें जरूरत क्या है इसे सीखने की एंड व्हाई डज दिस सिस्टम इज इन आवर बॉडी. So when we take the food, we know that food is a very essential and important substance and important product for our body, and the food gives energy to us in the form of nutrients and many other molecules. So the nutrients are divided into two halves. There are some micromolecules and there are some macromolecules. So the nutrients are divided into two halves, micromolecules and macromolecules. So what are the micromolecules and macromolecules? The micromolecules are nothing but those molecules which are in the smaller form, which are in the smaller forms, or those are the smaller substances, and the macromolecules are those which are in the complex form. So the examples of micromolecules are nothing but the vitamins, minerals, and what are the macromolecules? Macromolecules are nothing but the carbohydrates, proteins and fats. We knew that ये जो micromolecules और macromolecules है, these are naturally occurring micro and macromolecules जो हम orally intake करते हैं. अब ऐसा तो नहीं है ना कि we need amino acid in our body. तो क्या हम amino acid को बाहर से break करके intake कर रहे हैं? नहीं. We are taking proteins and that proteins get digested, that protein get catabolized, and उनसे हमें क्या मिल रहा है? We get amino acid. And this ऐसा तो नहीं है ना कि vitamins के लिए as it is. We take the macromolecules as it is and we take the micromolecules as it is, which are found in the nature, and the micromolecules are converted, are metabolized in the micromolecules. Okay, is it clear? The system is also divided into two halves, alimentary canal and some associated glands in the digestive system. So the alimentary canal or the gut, we can say the gut. So gut starts from the mouth and ends to the anus. Gut starts from the mouth and ends to the anus. Now we are going to see one by one all the parts in detail. Okay, let's start with the mouth. Mouth is also called as buccal cavity, or it is also called as oral cavity. What is mouth? Mouth is also called as buccal cavity and it is also called as oral cavity. So from where the mouth starts? Mouth starts from our lips. Okay. So is it indirectly हम ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं ना कि हमारी जो oral cavity है वो lips से start हो रही है, या फिर हम ऐसे बोल सकते हैं कि हमारी जो alimentary canal है, हमारी जो gut है, वो lips से start हो रही है, cheeks से start हो रही है. So what's the function of our lips and cheeks? If we are taking food, if we are chewing it, अगर हमारे lips नहीं होंगे, अगर हमारे cheeks नहीं होंगे, so क्या होगा? वो जो food हम chew कर रहे हैं वो बाहर निकल जाएगा. 90% of जो food है वो बाहर गिर जाएगा. लेकिन जो lips है, जो cheeks है, वो क्या कर रहे हैं? food को as it is mouth में रखने के लिए, क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा ये important है mouth को, food को mouth में रखने के लिए. Okay, is it clear? And the additional function of the lips and the cheeks is it acts as a beauty. ठीक है, additional function क्या है? beauty. ये beauty enhance करने के लिए भी होता है ना. जैसे कि हम बोलते हैं इसके lips बहुत पतले हैं, इसके lips बहुत मोटे हैं, उनको हम lipstick लगाते हैं, पिक करते हैं, red करते हैं. So it acts as a beauty organ. Is it clear? So from where our mouth starts? Our mouth starts from the lips and the cheeks. इतना clear हुआ? Now अंदर से उसके बाद क्या आता है? लिप्स के बाद आते हैं टिट्स, आर 32। ओके, इज इट क्लियर? लिप्स के बाद क्या आती है? टिट्स आते हैं एंड देयर इज अ स्पेस, एक छोटी सी स्पेस होती है